I'm working on the bike. I've got this water underneath here is not leaks. I've been using a spray bottle to cool the heads down so I can get a good vacuum on the radiator fluid. But I want to show you what I just got in today. This is a box. I haven't opened it yet. Let's see what we got. Oh, I like that. This is Taida coolant hose with clips, and it's blue. It matches my bike, so I like that. And this should be the radiator, which I didn't know was going to be all wrapped up in 10,000 pieces of tape here. So I'll see if I can get it open with one hand. Nice heavy radiator. I just hope it fits. Oh, look at that. Is that cool or what? Look at that. It's got red anodized something over right there. Alright, I'm going to put this up the side. Pull this part out. And of course, we got more tape. This was bought from New York Scooter Shop. I think that's what it's called. And I wanted the chrome one, but they only gave me the silver one. So I'll just have to see what I can do with that. Then I'm hoping that this has the other parts for it somewhere. Maybe it doesn't. It's got the this is the parts to put where your radiator fluid goes, and it has some brass fittings, which are nice. And now I just have to figure out where it's going to go good on the bike. Hopefully, I like the way they have all kinds of different fittings, but I wanted the chrome one. They said, do you want chrome, silver, yellow? This don't look like chrome to me. TD, and I want to see if it'll fit, like right here. Let's see if I can put that there. That's probably backwards, but it's got a lot of good mounting spots here and here and here, and it's got 3 or 4 holes that you can block off or use for various types of mounts. So anyway, that's what I got in today. The next thing I'd like to try and buy, this is about 120 bucks. I told the wife my other radiator was going bad, so we just had to have it. And so I got it. This was about 120. The radiator hose attachment is about $39 for that. Then if you want a custom cool fan that fits this perfect, it's another 120. And I may go with that if I can get all of this to fit underneath this front plate. So we're getting there, little by little. As soon as I can get some radiator fluid in here. Okay, we continue Operation Dio.